Well, ahoy there. Hey, look at this 2014 Lowe 224 SD. So it's a 22-foot sport deck boat, 8-foot beam. What a fun boat this is. I've taken it out a couple of times. Screams across the water because it's got a 175 horsepower supercharged engine. Mercury, by the way. It's got tons of storage. That's just extra batteries. I've got two more on the other in the other hatch. It's got a live well, which I've got anchors in. 114 hours. Lots of seating. You can even put a little table right there. It doesn't come with a table. All kinds of storage. Storage in the hull there, storage in the front deck, and this is all set up for fishing up front. So you can set more swivel chairs up front, storage in the seats, big bimini top. So it's kind of a combination fishing boat and leisure boat. Front area needs, in my opinion, attention to the carpet. I'd just redo it if I were doing it. It's got brand new upholstery, stereo, set up to go. Look at this. So once again, 2014 Lowe 224 SD Sport Deck. So come check it out. Dorn Brothers Truck Sales, 3130 Portland Road in Salem, Oregon. 503-585-4731 if you want to call us. You can check us out on our website at dorngooddeal.info. Thanks for looking today. Look forward to talking to you.